Okay, my Eureka AirSpeed was delivered just a few minutes ago, so I just took it out of the box, as you can see, and it came quick and came fast. And stick I'm getting ready to put. I got my little granddaughter, and get ready to put this in here, and it locked. It's the handle, and now we're going to see how it works. Now, this one was my other vacuum cleaner that I got from Amazon before I got the carpet. So this is good too, but I didn't think it was good for this carpet. So I got the Eureka AirSpeed because I liked the reviews. So I said, you know what? It was like in range with the cost, that I can afford. It's very affordable, and I like it. It's cute, and I have a little small apartment, so I didn't need nothing really big. So let's see how it works. And I want to see how much dirt will it pick up versus what this one couldn't do. This one was just temporarily. So we're not doing a review on this. Just let you know that's the one I had before that. That's good for floors. It did pretty good, but I wanted something more heavy duty to get up the real dirt because I had this carpet like for 2 years and I don't think it got a really, really good vacuum. So let's see what the reviewer is saying. Okay, let's see how it works. Push that down. I can hear things going inside. Oh my God. This is absolutely great. Look at this. The other vacuum couldn't do that. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, it's really good. Oh, I can hear the stuff that is inside the carpet that the other vacuum cleaner couldn't get up. This is getting to it. You can look at the difference between over here where I didn't vacuum versus over here. Oh, this is good. Oh, look at there. Oh my God. Oh my God. It is so good. Look at my daughter. She's my granddaughter.
Very good quality.
and I have 2 pets. So, and a lot of plants. This is it. Oh, this is the vacuum.
AirSpeed ultra-lightweight powerful compact vacuum from Amazon, and this is my son who's 8 years old. He is vacuuming with it for the first time. He's trying to get all the debris off the couch, and he's able to operate it really well with his little hands, and I would definitely recommend this item to anybody that has kids and needs a vacuum that's not too heavy and is easy to operate. So I would definitely give this item a thumbs up. I would definitely recommend ordering it again if needed. And this is a very good vacuum, not too high priced, and from Amazon. So absolutely give it a 5-star thumbs up. Eureka AirSpeed.
So there it is. It's not very big by any means. One thing that I do like about it is that it's really, lightweight. I mean, shoot. One hand, I can pick that thing up. And I knew I needed a new vacuum because my old one, the suction was getting really bad. So just to test this one out, I went ahead and I vacuumed my living room here with my old one, and then went back over the top with this one. And this is how much stuff I pulled out after vacuuming with my old one. So she's small, but she's pretty mighty. I'm pretty satisfied here.
So I broke this cracker up to test the vacuum up because it's been spitting out from the back here. Just so you know, this is the same vacuum. Okay.
Anyway, every word I need to say still sits in silence. Place up high where dust is raining. There's words written with hope remaining. Letters signed sincerely goodbye. So I'll close my eyes and drift away to a place so high.
So this is after doing both rooms. Like we got a big little thick area of dust.
Very pretty pooch.
Paint it again in.